Hi, so today I was actually scammed on Deriv P2P. So if you don't know what Deriv P2P is, actually a feature of Deriv which can allow you to exchange dollars with your local currency. But let me just try to explain to you how it really works. So when it comes to Deriv, for example, you can buy your dollars if you'd like to have dollars and trade. And if you'd like to withdraw your profits, you can actually sell those dollars and you get to receive via your local currency. But how the platform works is that, for example, if you'd like to buy dollars from someone, okay, you simply go on the Deriv P2P and look for ads for people who are selling and simply choose the rate you want, okay. So once you enter a trade, okay, you're given an hour. So within an hour, you simply have to make sure that you pay the person. Once you pay the person, you have to mark the trade as paid. When you mark the trade as paid, okay, the receiver has to confirm that he has received the money. If he has received the money, then the money will also be released. Okay, yeah, but here is how I was scammed today, so that you can also learn, so that you don't get scammed later on. Okay, so wherever you go, scammers will always be there. So it's always good to know how actually people are getting scammed, so that it doesn't happen to you. So here is how it happened. So a person, okay, came, not really came like physically, okay, went and saw my advert on Deriv P2P. He entered the trade that he would like to buy dollars from me, okay, likely to just a small amount of money, which is about $10, okay. So as at that time, I was really receiving a lot of buy requests because I had put the lowest rate and people were busy buying from me. So he bought, okay, for $10. So as I was releasing the dollars for other people bought first, uh, actually released the dollars to, he paid, okay. Then I took a bit of time, but I was able to pay within the same hour. I think only took of about 15 or 20 minutes. I paid, I released the dollars because he had sent the money, and the trade was closed. But here's the funny thing which happened. After the trade was closed, some few minutes later, he initiated a money reversal on MTN mobile money. So when it comes to this mobile money stuff, is that it's possible to request for a money reversal in case you send money to a wrong number or in case you get scammed. But in this case, I delivered the dollars, but why would one require to reverse the transaction? So I contacted him that why have you reversed the money you've sent him? The explanation he gave me was that because you have taken long to send the dollars. Then I explained to him, I've already sent the dollars, simply check. Then he went there, he checked. Then I was like, then send back the money since you've seen the dollars that you have received them. Then he was like, okay, let me send. Then took some time again, I contacted him back like, what's happening? I'm busy waiting for the money here. Then it was like, we can't send back the money because he has initiated a money reversal and the money is a bit of frozen, so he can't withdraw the money. Okay, then I told him that if I'm not able to send back the money cash, then actually send resell the same dollars you just bought for me. Then he was like, I've already started trading. But so though those stuff are just red flags, like how can you start trading there and then? So all this just to show that he's actually a scammer. He just wants to steal money. So as of now, he's just giving me stories after stories. So the good part is that the money I've lost is only $10, okay, and we've lost more than that in forex, so it doesn't really hit up much. But to someone, a $10 can really mean a lot, can really hit. So it's good that you're actually watching this video so that it doesn't happen to you. So now let's come to the solution. How can you prevent something like this from happening? Okay, so I think what you can be doing, whenever you receive the money, mobile money, I think withdraw it or send it to one of your numbers, because once you do that, if it makes a reversal, it won't work because the money is not there. But this is bad. So again, here's another thing I've noticed. So I've been using Deriv P2P just for a few days now, and one thing I've noticed is that when it comes to Deriv P2P, like when you enter a trade, when you send money to someone, you have to mark as you've paid. But here's what people are doing. Like when they enter a trade, like they would like to buy dollars from you, they will mark the payment as paid even when they have not paid. And here's the funny part is that, and again, they take long to make the payment. For example, you make a request that you'd like to buy $10, and instead of first making the payment, you mark the trade as paid. Then again, you take long, let us say you pay in 20 minutes or 40 minutes. Then after that, now that is when I get to see the money and I get to release. So this one actually affects people who are selling dollars, because it's going to look like I'm actually taking long to release the dollars, and my release time is actually going to increase. So if you do that, please, you should stop doing that. Not only to me, you should also stop doing this to other people, because it really affects people who are selling the dollars. Okay, so what you should do is that when you enter a trade, first of all, make the payment. After you make the payment, then simply mark that you have paid. Once you've paid, when I see the money, I'll also be able to confirm that I've actually received the money, and I'll release the dollars, and that is how it's supposed to work. So if you've been scammed before in Deriv P2P, please comment below, share away, share your story, share how you are scammed, so that other people can learn and prevent themselves from being scammed. Okay, so I've got a good idea. Like, what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to create a page on my website, and there I'm going to be writing the list of names and their real names to those who scam others, so that you don't fall for them. So what I'm going to do is, once you're done watching this video, simply check the link in the video description. Okay, there will be a link to a page where I'm going to be posting the names of scammers. So if you know someone who has scammed you on Deriv P2P or as a payment agent, okay, you can contact me and I'll be able to write their names there, so that, yeah, because this is really hard earned money. Let us say, for example, you trade for an entire month, then you decide to withdraw, and someone decides to scam you. Like, how would you feel? So this should not be like tolerated. It should not continue. It should end now. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next video tomorrow.